St. Teresa. But before Alex heads out to finish his run, he's got one more thing in store for his old friend and rival. My understanding is that you used Dad's ashes to spread around the cabin and to the picture of him standing for it.
Oh, it's definitely something I'll hang on to. That gift Alex gave me for sure. I was really surprised when he gave it to me.